Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to upload a video in Google Drive. It's really simple and easy, so let's get into it. First, open your browser. From here, search for Google Drive. And then click on the first link. From here, you have to sign in the account. I have already signed in, so I don't need to do it anymore. Then this kind of screen will appear in front of you. Then on the top left corner, click on plus icon which says new. And from there, you will see an option called file upload. Click on it. Here, suppose you want to add this video, so I will click on it. And here it says open. And again, click on open. And here you'll upload it. And you can see here is a loading list. And it says update complete. Now refresh the page. And here you can see the file has been uploaded. So that's very easy to do it, and you know now how to upload a video in Google Drive. I hope this video helped. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.